welcome to MonkeyArt, and today we are going to draw a yummy, lovely donut. And we can make donut chocolate, or maybe vanilla, or maybe strawberry, or any other kind. So let me blow my magic bubbles and we can start drawing this yummy donut. We're gonna use a lot of colors and one piece of paper and also one black marker. So let's draw this yummy yummy in my tummy donut. First we're gonna draw a little circle in the middle like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're gonna draw the big circle all around. Okay, it's gonna go like this. Then down. Then on this side we're gonna go. And the top part as well. Cool! We've got ourselves two circles. Now we're gonna draw some cute eyes at the bottom. One, two. Now we're gonna try to make even smaller circles inside, just like this, two of them. Okay, and let's color all the way around those. Just like that, so we have cute eyes. Cool. How about we make some mouth just beneath the eyes, like that, and we can make it open or closed. Cool. Now we have eyes and mouth on our cute little yummy yummy donuts. And now we're gonna make some toppings. Let's see, I'm gonna make lines just like this. It's gonna go from here, going like that. Okay. And then we're gonna make some more here. Something like that. And on this side as well. Cool. Now we're gonna use some color. Let's use first this one. It's kind of an orange. And color all the way around the bottom part. Cool. Now we're gonna use some blue. Okay, and we're gonna color. Actually, we're gonna make some. First, some like sugar parts, like this. chocolate parts, yellow, and we're gonna make also in the top part as well. And then let's use some blue as well. Cool. And also we can use a little bit of this cool pink color. Now it's looking really yummy. And now we're gonna use this blue color, the bottom part. So we need to go all around these shapes and color in. Just like that. Then we need to go around the eyes and mouth. Nice. Let's go and color this side as well. What other type of candies and sweets do you like to eat? How about cakes or cookies? I love vanilla cookies with bit of a chocolate. That's my favorite one. How about yours? Nice. Now we're gonna use some pink for the top part. And if you like some other color, you can use that one. Wow, this pink is really bright and really cool. I love the shade of it. Cool. Okay, let's color remainings like this top part and then the bottom one as well. Nice, we have completed this part, And now we can use a little bit darker pink and color the bottom parts, and that way we can make like 3D effect or add it a little bit of shadow. Just like that. Cool, and we can do the same thing with this lovely blue. Cool, and we can use the same thing with this lovely orange at the bottom. Cool, and we can also add a little bit of these dots to make it look even more interesting. Like that. Wow, it's looking so cute. I would love to eat this one. I'm gonna also use a little bit of black to color inside of the mouth. Like that. And maybe we can also use this darker pink to add some more dots. And there we go, we have completed our lovely and yummy donuts. Let's give it a little heart and check mark. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.